We use the present perfect with for since to talk about something that started in the past and continues in the present. I've been here since January. I've been here for 5 months. Since plus the point in time when it started. For plus the period of time. I've been here since January. I came here in January. And I'm still here. I've been here for 5 months. I came here 5 months ago. Note the difference. I've worked for the bank for 3 years. And I still work for the bank now. I worked for the bank for 3 years. But I don't work for the bank now. We do not use since with the past simple. Not, I worked for the bank since 1997. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, 4. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, since. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, 4. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, 4. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, since. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, 4.